All right. Okay, so that was definitely a directory in that last video there. So just type directory here and then find the link. I couldn't find the link, but for the sake of the video, I stopped looking for the link, but you can't do that though. I would need you to still like drop the link in here and let me know if it was free or if it's, let's say for example, if it's going to cost me $5 per month. Go ahead and type that in so I know exactly how much it's going to cost. And um don't go for the one that's the most expensive. I just need the link on there. I don't necessarily need the package that they offer with it. So just put the lowest amount, and if it is free, then go ahead and just type in free. And then what we'll do is highlight this with the link in the directory, these three spaces right here in green, because we love free, right? So I'll go ahead and go after that. All right. And then I would need you to go after the link as well too, like to go ahead and sign up the business Roof Repair Alpharetta for that link. All right, let's see. Let's go to the next one, Automotive Speak. Right here. Okay, I already pulled them up. Looks like it is a looks like a PBN, because I think it has a ton of traffic. I mean, a ton of power, but no traffic. Again, you see how crappy it looks? So that's probably a PBN, but let's see. Let's go ahead and drop it in there. Yeah, look at all that look at all that power. And I bet you it has like zero traffic. Yep. Okay, so that's a PBN. So just go ahead and write that in there. They have a lot of PBNs. Not a problem. This is how I know what to get to beat them. Okay, Blanca Journal. Go in here, get this. So you kind of get the idea here, right? Like this is pretty much what needs to happen for the entire, for all 109 of these. Boom. Blanca Journal. Maybe that's like a blog post. All right, Blanca Journal. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's take the URL and see. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure what that one is. I want to say a PBN, but I'm not sure. Yeah, yep, PBN. Oh, they have a ton of PBNs. All right, let's go get it. So that's pretty much the idea here, right? Go through all of these. Go ahead and dissect it. Let me know what type it is, the button link, if it's a directory or a Web 2.0, and leave some comments here so I know, which should be next to just really the Web 2.0 and the directories. And that's